Hey guys, welcome to Smartphone Fan. Here you have the latest model from OPPO. It's the OPPO Reno8Pro Plus 5G edition. And today we will hands on this latest gadget from OPPO, and we will talk on the specifications and appearance and other things we will talk, and we will hand it on and we'll unbox it and check what's inside his box. So first, the appearance of the box is purely simple design. We can just find some brand and some model information on this model, and also in the back of the bottom of the box we can only find some complaint and some less information. So, and here I will say today we have the OPPO Reno8 Pro Plus edition. It's the 12GB RAM plus 256GB ROM edition, and we have the gray edition. Okay, let's unbox this and check all the stuff inside the box, and we will do it. So first, unbox the box. First, we get some information here. It says in Chinese, and I can translate it. It means the dual chips used on the camera and the camera processor, because you know the OPPO, they have their own image chips. Developers is the Mariana. Yes, is the new processor they developed. So this one picture, it will be produced by two images. So here they have dual chips for the portrait technology. It makes you to get easily to get good and high quality pictures on this smartphone. So next, let's check inside what's inside this small package. Okay, first is it means you can get some special right for the Reno customers, and then the first instructions of this using manuals of this model, and also the warranty card, also the SIM card jack, and the SIM card pin. So this is the papers and the paper stuff, and also they provide a transparent soft case for you. So this is all the stuff inside this. Okay, it's empty in this small package. We'll put it aside, and under the small package we get the smartphone. Whoa, can't waiting to unbox it, to check it. So next is under the smartphone we get the cable. First, the cable is a Type-C. Yes, it's the Type-C USB cable. Here you find it's Type-C USB cable. Okay, we give the good angle for you to here. Yes, it's a USB cable. So okay, put it back to the box. Okay, and then the charger is not so big and not so heavy, but this time for the charger they give a 80-watt fast charger, but it's not so heavy, and battery also is big. It's 4500 big battery. So let's talk it later. And this is so this is the stuff in this, all the stuff in this box, and let's put them aside and check smartphone. Okay, so let's put it here and check smartphone. So let's peel first. Let's peel off the plastic screen protector and a few of the markers of the smartphone. And then, whoa, we have the smartphone in front of us. The OPPO Reno8Pro Plus. Whoa, it's amazing. So nice product. So yes, we will talk on several aspects about this model. The first, the appearance, the design, and then the screen, and then the camera, and then the processor, and then the battery. So first, let's begin from the appearance. And this time for the Reno8Pro Plus, they have 3 colors for you to choose: the gray one, the cyan one, the black one. Today we have the gray one. It's so simple and pure, clean. So I like the gray one, and also the most attractive, the ones here, the camera zoom, 2 big cameras here, another here, and also the LED flashlight is here. So it's balanced design, and also the camera zone is bumpered, and from this one to the back cover, there's a curved, but I think that do a good job on the transition of this part and this part. It looks so beautiful and so nature. It's so good. And also from their risk conference, we know they put a lot of technology and a lot of time on this part to make this one and this one make it unite, not separate. So this is very, very hard for them to do it. Also for the back cover, they used a lot of technology to polish it, to make it the line not so shiny and so low. So it's so beautiful for this back cover. And also the color, also the green, I like it so much. It's so good. Always I like the OPPO design. They did a very, very good job, I will say. And also from the other practical appearance, I will say that this time they controlled very well on the height of the smartphone. It's only 7.34 mm, and it's not so heavy, and when you hand it in your hand, it's easy to control, easy to hand it on hand. Also the weight is only 183 grams. It's also light, so it's you can give a very good feeling of holding and touching. So it's so good on the appearance. Also this time they use the COF technology on the screen. So the narrowness, the bedless is much smaller than the other one. So the frame is not here and so round. It's a bit in sorcerer, but they just do some special here. I think not so sharp. They just do some special angles here to make you feel much better on when you hand it in your hand. This is about the appearance of this smartphone. Okay, now we have turned on the Reno8Pro Plus, and we have wicked up the screen. And so next I will talk about the display and the screen of this model. This time the OPPO Reno8Pro Plus, they have a 6.7 inch 100 inch screen, and it supports 120 Hz refresh rate, and also the resolution is also good. It's have 2412 and 1080. Also, the maximum brightness is 950 nit. You can get very good gaming. I mean, also the video experience on this amazing screen. And also this time the OPPO have their own developed super sensor engine. It support all the applications. of course the video expressions get very good reviewed display performance on this model. And as we can see, just not use the COF technology, so you can, the bezel is so small, and also the design with the screen is so nice, so beautiful, I will say. Yes, I really like this. Also the screen performance is so good. So this is about the screen one. So next I will talk about the camera one. The camera this time they have a 1, 2, 3, 4. They have 3 triple rear cameras, and in the back and also front they have a punch hole in the middle. So there are also single one front cameras. So for the rear cameras, two big one with another small one, and for the main one is have a 50 megapixel main camera, and also the 80 megapixel wide angle, and also a 2 megapixel macro lens. And also for the big one, for the main one, is have it's Sony IMX6766 sensor, and also have a 1.56 inch big sensor, and also the wide angle is support up to 118 angles, super wide angles. And also for the macro lens, one is have 4 centimeters fixed focus distance for this one. And also for the front one, it have a IMX709, the cat eyes front camera. It's also good, and the also it works with the AI algorithm. You can get good selfie pictures. We can check it. We can test. Yes, agree. Now we can test the whoa. You can see Mari Silicon X. So this is the information I transferred just now. It have one picture. You can, if you use 2 strippers to produce the picture. This model is equipped with the Mari Silicon X, OPPO's first developer imaging NPU. With its powerful image processing capabilities, Mari Silicon can bring a next level photographic experience. So nice. So yes, so you can see we can take a picture, and then we can agree and continue. You can see, whoa, we can see the details, very nice. Yes, it's so good. So it's totally good on the camera part. Yes, also for the front one. Yes, as I told you, it have so many options for you to choose. Portrait, more, and choose a lot of things. So yeah, so this is about the front one. Here, wide angle. Yes, zoom, 2x zoom, without also night vision as well. So yes, so this is about the camera. It's also nice on the camera part, and also you see the OPPO, they really care about the experience of the shooting, and so there's no need to worry about the camera part of the OPPO Reno8Pro Plus. It's so good. And next, I will show you the process one, the speed. So this time they have the MediaTek Dimensity 8100 Max Octa core is the new chips from MediaTek, and for this one they have a 5nm produced technology. It's much safer, energy saving than the last one, and also with the LPDDR5 and the UF 3.1 you can get very good and very fast gaming experience. Also, this time they have a very good zone for you to cooling the chips, so it can bring the heat much faster than the normal one. So this is pretty good, and I will say OPPO good. And this is about the processor. And next I will talk about the battery, and this time the OPPO Reno8Pro Plus, they have a 4500 big batteries. It can support up to 80-watt fast charging, very fast charging. Normally in 45 minutes you can in 40 to 45 minutes you get fully charged from 0% to 100%. And also in 10 to 15 minutes you can get around 40% battery. So it's so nice on the battery as well. And this is for the Reno8Pro Plus, the basic and very quick and fast unboxing and review video of this model. And I hope you like the OPPO product, because the design is so unique in the market. It is so good. So this time they don't have the high specification on this model, but it's also good. It's also good on the specification and all the performance. So I hope you like it, and thanks for watching. Also, you can stay tuned and waiting for more cool gadgets from here. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.